Okay, this is the replacement of the HP-15T-BC000. As you can see in this lower area of the screen is where it's cracked. And I'm going to be replacing it from here on forward. Okay. This is first off step, you're going to want to turn the computer off completely. Open the box with this is the box that the screen came in. Okay. As you can see, from here I'm going to be taking the mounted part of the screen off. Okay, first step is getting this part off. It's a thin layer. Around the screen I don't really care because the screen's already cracked. It's just a matter of getting it, prying it off. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to want to put this piece here off to the side. Then you're going to want to use your smallest screwdriver and unbolt the frame that attaches the screen to it. And you're going to repeat that for point A, these points here. All these screws, I'll be right back as soon as I've finished that step. Okay, sorry about that. There's only 4 screws you had to unscrew. From there, you can take the screen, lean it back away. This screen is a 30 prong. Right here is where it attaches in. You're going to want to slightly lift this up and nudge it out. So that is the old screen taken off. From there, you're going to want to just toss it out. And here is the replacement screen. Prong location where you're going to take it and reattach it. Just like that. Put the tape back down. And before you continue any further, you're going to want to turn the computer back on, make sure everything works. As you can see, it's turning on and everything looks good. There's no cracks in the screen so far. Okay, and there you see, everything's looking good and fine. From here, you're going to turn it back off till you're going to reattach all the screws in the 4 locations that you've put off to the side. As you can see right over here. 4 screws used. And I'll be right back as soon as I've reattached all the screws. Okay, now that we're done with that, reattaching, you're going to peel off the screen protector cover. Make sure you have it on the entire time. Before you put the last piece back on, make sure everything works, there's no cracks in the screen. Before you reattach everything. Okay, everything looks good. Then we're gonna gently go around the outside edge of the screen. And you're done. And from there, everything else is just reattaching and you're done. Thank you.